Are you thinking of starting a career in the tech industry? I know it can be overwhelming, but don't worry. There are loads of entry-level options that offer high salaries and don't require much technical education. Hey, I'm Josh, and in this video, I'll take you through the top 10 entry-level tech jobs available out there and how much you can earn with them. Keep watching to find out which role has the biggest paycheck. Do you want an IT career that can pay you over $100,000 a year? Visit the career resources section in the description of this video to find out more. Let's dive right in. The first job in our list is a web developer, which will get you a mean annual wage of $84,820 US. The great thing about being a web developer is that every company has a website that uses a language like Python, JavaScript, Rust, HTML, CSS, or C++. Front-end developers deal with the public presentation of a website, while back-end developers work on applications and databases that help keep the site running. If you can do both, you're known as a full-stack developer. This position is really sought after in the industry. Whatever you choose, understanding database management, automation, and coding in different languages is super important for this job. How about something better paid? Well, as a data analyst or data scientist, you'll rake in an average of $105,980 a year. People in these positions take information and use it to spot trends and drive decision making. For this role, it'll help if you know how to use and manage databases and have some skill with maths and statistics. This isn't essential though. Okay, being a software developer will also fluff your wallet up. With an average wage of $102,020, software developers make the programs and applications that drive modern computing. After all, most people work with some kind of software on their devices every day. To become a software developer though, you'll need to be able to program. That means learning how to use at least one language and how to structure software. But don't worry if you're behind. There are loads of boot camps out there that can help. Next up is the help desk support technician. Now, with a mean annual wage of $59,910, you might not think this is a very glamorous job, but it's a great way to get your foot in the door for higher paying tech jobs. Plus, you don't need much prior tech experience to start. I should also add that this is an important position. As an entry-level help desk support technician, you're the first line of communication for support issues. You'll basically be responsible for keeping organizational technology running. Do you like to work with people? Are you a good leader? Then you might want to take on a project manager or a Scrum Master role, which both take in around $94,500. In these roles, you'll be responsible for making sure projects are delivered successfully and on time. The only real difference between these roles is that Scrum Masters use Agile methodology. Either way, you'll probably need a PMP, Agile certification, or Certified Scrum Master certification, but not all workplaces will require them. Being results driven and having a keen eye for detail is far more important. Next up is the database administrator, which earns an annual wage of $85,870. DBAs, as they're called, organize data from different systems and store it so that it can be used by all parts of the organization. DBAs need to be skilled in creating, managing, migrating, and decommissioning databases of all sizes. Understanding SQL or other database structures is also really important. But again, you can pick this up through online bootcamps and training courses. Now, here's a role that you've probably heard a lot about: the information security analyst. This role has the highest paycheck in this list, with a whopping average of $113,270 a year. And for good reason. Information security analysts manage network and infrastructure security and organizational risk, which means that having a security or technology certification like CompTIA Security Plus or CRISC is really helpful. It's also good if you understand corporate technology. Want to know the best thing about this position though? In 2022, there was a 3.4 million employee shortage, which is a trend that's likely to continue. This means that the market is booming right now for information security analysts. Up next, at $80,600, are network engineers. These people basically keep an organization's nervous system running by making sure that corporate communications work properly. To get into this role, it's definitely worth picking up the CCNA and CompTIA Network Plus certifications. That's because you'll need to know how to configure a network, but don't stress too much. You'll get a load of on-the-job training too. Every organization needs people who can keep resource access working and computers running. Computer systems administrators do both of these and more. Although companies offer all kinds of system admin roles, the average wage is $80,600. Want to boost your chances of getting a job? Then try picking up certifications offered by Microsoft, AWS, and Google. You can always get your CompTIA A+ as well. And finally, we have digital strategists, which earn around $76,080 a year. Digital strategists manage an organization's public presence by handling social media, press releases, app marketing, and other public-facing materials. Some organizations might ask for marketing or SEO experience, but not all of them. If you have a marketing degree though, this could boost your starting pay and help you find more work in the tech industry. So there you have it. There are loads of ways to break into a tech career in technology, even if you don't have a load of experience. And anyway, with a bit of training and networking, you can always move through the ranks and start boosting your pay. The important thing is just getting started. Good luck. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.